U has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you want to put all of them in U. Or sorry, no, sorry, that's the big one. Never mind. So W has 1, 2, 3, 9. So put 1, 2, 3, 9 in W. Okay. And then Y has 3, 5, 6, 9. So you are going to put 9 into the one that crisscrosses with W and Y. So put 9, slide 9 over in between them. Nope, up, up, up one. Yep. And then let me see what Y has in it. Okay. So Z has 9. Z has 9 in it too. So yep. So drag 9 back down.
Where I had it the first time. Okay.
You were right. I just can't see it. It's hard because your phone is narrow, but it's okay. And then slide back over. Take my face off. My face is in the way.
Okay.
Yep. And then Y has 3, 5, 6, 9. So put 3 in between Y and W. So drag 3. So drag the 3 in between. Yep. Nope. In between. And then what is nope. In between. And then what does Z have? 1, 4, 6. So you want to put 1 in between W and Z because they're in both. Yep. And then 4, drag it into Z. 6, drag it in between Y and Z. 6 goes in between Y and Z. And then Z has just 8 in it. Wait, 6, what happened to 6? 6 is supposed to be, no, you have 4 in there. Take the 4 back to Z. Now drag, now drag 6 in between them, and then 8 down to Z.
Oh, come on.
And then slide back over. None of them have 7. So 7 goes in the big space outside all the circles.
Okay.
And then 5 goes into Y. So the purpose of this is to get you to see where things overlap, where there's singular, and where there's none. Like the Z, 7, sorry, the 7, not the Z. The 7 is not included in any of them, any of those circles. Right. But it is in U, and U is the big square. Now,
this is so mind-boggling. Too.
That's what ALEKS does. It changes on purpose to confuse you, to see if you remember what you learned. The problem is that sometimes it doesn't show you what you learned. Like, I don't want to say it doesn't show you what you learned. Like, if you get it wrong,
no, I know what you mean. Yeah, I get it.
But it changes the wording up, and then it purposely confuses you, which is the kind of programs I don't like. But it is what it is. Okay, now let's check to make sure that all of them are correct. So you have to look at the directions. So if you can zoom out maybe a little bit, I'm surprised my eyes can even see this. So W has 1, 2, 3, 9. Let's look at the circles. So it has 1, 2, 3, 9. Don't move that 6 over. Oh, how did that happen? Oh, 9 goes in the center, I believe. Okay, so I'm gonna take it backwards. So So you see that every set has the 9 in it, right? You see that W, Y, and Z all have 9. That's why the 9 is in the middle. Okay, and then Z has everything. Let's see. It has a little bit of everybody. So, but singularly, it has 4 and 8. And 1. No, 4 and 8. 4 and 8. And then W and Z have 1. That's why they share the 1. And then I can't see the Y, but Y has 3, 5, 6, 9. So Y singularly has the 5. No, the circles I can't see. So that's why the Y has the 5. Because it's the only one that has 5. Okay, so go ahead and hit check. I think I checked it all. So now go to the next one and try it yourself. And you may want to charge your phone.
Oh, shoot. You're right. Okay. All right. So you can see D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So that's the big one. So all of them have A. Oh, no. Only Y, only U, W, and Z. So should I put, see it? No, I don't want to do it that way.
So which letter is in all three, W, Y, and Z? And then put that in the center.
Okay.
Then start to work on, does W and Z share anything? I'm sorry, W and Y. Does W and Y share anything? Okay, so put them in between W and Y. Mhm. Now, is there anything in W that's in no other one? D, okay, so put D in just W. Anything else? Or is D the only one?
Mhm. See,
Okay. Now, does
please
W have it? Does W have anything left? So does W share A with anyone else or any other letter? You mean, well, U is the big square. So don't think
Okay.
about U yet. Okay. So then where should A go? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now let's work on Y. So Y has B, E, F, G, I. Okay.
Yes.
Does any other letter have, any other set have B in it? So then where should B go? Yep. What's next for Y? Is E already taken care of? Now, F, is F in the right spot? So then F is in the wrong spot. Mm-hmm. Yep. And then what's next for Y? Mm-hmm. And then what about go? All righty. Check it over one more time. Now, what I would recommend when you're doing problems like this, I would write them down. Anytime that you keep getting it wrong and you're spending more than 20 minutes on one problem or one topic, make sure you're writing. Make sure you write. Like
So
I
I don't
wouldn't
make the
write
same
you
mistake.
down, I would write the W, the Y, the Z so you can cross them off. Use the big square. So U has everything in it. Let's do one more, see if we can get you past this topic. So I'm gonna let you be all completely on your own. And let's see how you do. But don't click check. Don't click because I'm still.
I think I'm good. I'm gonna get off now. Everyone.
Have a good night.
Thanks, girl.
Thank you, everybody. It helped me a little things here and there. Good luck in your exam. Thank you. No, you're good.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Stoggins.
Sorry, I heard somebody say bye to me, and I was like, it's all the way in the house. Oh. Okay, let's see here. So W, B, G, H, I. So W has B, G, H, I. Okay, so no, scroll back over. Just, can you zoom out? Not in. No, the other way. Can you go the other way? Yeah. Turn your phone sideways. Maybe that'll help. Let's see if that makes it better. Because it'll fill up the whole screen. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. So I just need to see the W. I just need to see the W, the B. Okay, so Y has, so B, G, H, I, and then, oh, that's X. So B. Okay, so all three. So B should be in the middle. Yep, B's in the middle. And let's see. Let me see Y again. Y is B, C, E, G. So let me see Y, B, C, E, G. So where's C? Y should have C. Let me see C, Y again. Y should have C. C. There you go.
So
Y into Y. There you go. So Y should have B, C, E, G. Okay, so then X. Okay, so X has E and Y has E. And who has G? Who else has G? None of them have D or A, so that looks like it's in the right spot. So G is also in W, so that looks right. I is also in W and X. And then F is in just X. B, C, E, G. And D and A should be out there. Oh, keep your fingers crossed. Go ahead and check it. Because sometimes the eyes be playing tricks on you. You did it. I already know what Alex can do. It does it to me. Even when I'm making videos, I'll be like, what? How did I get that wrong?
like I was like, okay, I understand. I get what you're saying now. I see what you're trying, so I was in my mind putting up the dynamic to get it together for myself. Now I got it.
Awesome.
And engineering is gonna help me out with that and let me know what I gotta do. So because I was paying attention, I was here, I was watching it, but I just want to make sure that I'm doing it correctly because I told her I didn't want to do it off of my phone.
So I'm gonna send this whole Zoom link out to just this class. So you can, fast forward through it or whatever you need to do. But I'm gonna cut this video up and I'm gonna make